not fake friends, they're the best.
To have friends like these, legion energy thieves. Man, I wake up every day feeling blessed.
Boy, you know I ain't stressed.
Whenever I need, they'll be here on my phone screen. The place I take the weight off my chest.
Man, this feeling is the best.
Serotonin to my cellular.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been nesting so hardcore. I am preparing for baby, and it's literally been like the only thing on my mind of like, what can I do next? How can I prepare to make my life easier? What can I clean next? What can I organize next? We actually ended up upgrading our bed frame and mattress, so you guys are gonna watch me take apart our old bed and then move out some old furniture. I'm going to break everything down, clean the room, vacuum, and then go ahead and start setting up our new bed frame.
Getting dressed in some clothes I would never even know. Cracking jokes at a function when I'd rather be home.
Forming shallow conversations with some kid in a plastic smile.
Giving away all my fucks, I'd rather be alone. Let me set the tone, just myself with the stars. Now I'm in my zone.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the realest of them all? Shit up our noses, bottled up emotions. It gets lonely at the top, wish I had someone to talk to.
So when filming this video, I believe I was 27 weeks pregnant. I'm currently, am I almost 28? I think I'm almost 28. I can't even remember. But it's been a while since I've filmed. I filmed this and then got really busy and wasn't able to edit it as fast as I would have liked. But this is our new bed, our new mattress. It is amazing. I had to test it out before I made it all pretty, but I ended up getting this mattress. I believe we got it from Denver Mattress is where we purchased the mattress, and then the frame is from Furniture Row. It's literally just like right next door to where our Denver mattress is, and we spent a pretty penny. I think it was over like $3,000 for everything. But you guys, we're gonna have a newborn on the way, and I think sleep is gonna be the most important. We've had the same queen size bed for literally almost 12 years. And we'll also want the space because I'm sure she's going to want to sleep up here with us and snuggle with us when she's older. So I just felt like a new mattress was a necessity. And just, we're going to be so sleep deprived and just have a whole new routine coming. So I felt like a new bed is going to be definitely on the top of my priorities. So we ended up getting it, and I'm so excited about it. I have already slept in it once, as you guys can see. This is the next day, me cleaning after sleeping in it. And you guys, I slept like a freaking newborn child. I seriously like never slept so good in my life. But I'm just gonna go pick up our bedroom. Our bedroom was a disaster. Just picking up after like the tools and the instructions of like putting the furniture together, wiping down the dresser, and just getting things all cleaned up.
Had to cut some people off, pushed me to the edge. Find my way again.
So again, just preparing for baby. I'm moving her bassinet closer into our bedroom, just right next to our bed for when the time comes. We do have some time. She's not due till August, but I'm just an overachiever. I love having things prepared, ready, packed, just being so prepared ahead of time just in case things happen, or she comes early. I don't know. Like, I just love having things ready to go, or if I go into labor, I just want stuff to be done and out of the way. This is her hospital sign. I actually found this on Etsy, and it's seriously so cute. It has room for her footprints, so if you wanted to like stamp their feet prints on it, fill out everything else, and it was customized with her name, which I thought was super cute. But moving on to the living room, it is a disaster in here. I have to flip up my couch cushions, otherwise my dog will get on our couch and scratch at the cushions trying to like get comfortable, and he ruins them. There's literally holes in our cushions everywhere, so I'm just going to vacuum everything down, get the dog hair off, And then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the living room. And then I would like to shampoo my carpets because I just feel like with these dogs, our house is a disaster and it's so dirty. And it just, you know, when you feel like you just need to like refresh and shampoo your carpets and everything, like there's just got to be dirt and grime and you just feel disgusting. So that is what I'm doing next. I'm also going through some of my dog's toys and bones. They literally only use like half of them. They don't care for half their bones. And so I'm just starting to get rid of some stuff and just go through it. As you guys can see, my dog is like, what are you doing with my stuff? Hello. Hey, I still want that. But they literally never play with them or never chew on certain bones. So I'm getting rid of them. They've literally gotten so many new toys and new bones. So they will be just fine. So I'm not sure what happened to my footage, but it got deleted somehow. But I shampooed my carpets, and you guys, I was so disgusted. I literally dumped out this thing probably at least like 6 to 8 times. And I felt like it was getting dirtier and dirtier every time. Like you would think that they would get like cleaner or like less dirt like each time you dump it, but like I seriously thought it just kept getting dirtier. Like I could not stop shampooing my carpets. I literally shampooed them for probably 4 hours because I was like, it's just not getting any better. It is just horrific. So it finally ended up getting a little bit cleaner, and I literally dumped it 6 to 8 times. So I shampooed my carpets, and those made me feel a lot better that those were clean, and I felt like the air just felt cleaner and just was going to help my allergies. So that is done. One thing tackled. But next up, I'm going to be opening up this soap dispenser that was sent to me. I'm actually really excited about it because I feel like it's going to be really nice to have by the sink. You literally just press on it and it just dispenses soap right into your sponge and gives you the right amount that you need without overusing soap. Because I feel like we go through dish soap quite a bit. So I feel like this might help kind of control how much dish soap I'm using versus like just squeezing it straight out of the bottle and just using too much. But if you guys are interested, I'll have it linked down below. And I'll have to double check, but I might have a discount code for you guys. So make sure you guys check down below for that as well. So next up, you guys are going to see me clean off my patio. This was actually me getting ready for Mother's Day. It was my first Mother's Day, and it was our first time hosting one. So we had family over and cooked out. I thought for sure that we'd be out on the patio, so I wanted to like power wash everything, get it super clean. However, we ended up eating inside because it was like raining and terrible weather. But anyway, I ended up cleaning the whole house, cleaning outside, and just getting the whole house ready because I felt like it had to be spotless because this was my first Mother's Day and our first time hosting, and I was so excited. Alright friends, that is it for today's video. I feel so accomplished and that I feel like I just tackled so much. So if you guys enjoyed watching, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!